Hello guys, myself Randal Abhishek, USN 130, SEM 6M, and today we will discuss about how to create a table in HTML with some example. So here are the contents. We will learn about the basics of tables, create simple two-dimensional table and format tables, create tables with complex structure. So introduction to table, first one. Here, table are grids made up of rows and columns. Tables nothing but tables are made of rows and columns. We can insert a number of rows and number of columns. The intersection of rows and column is called a cell. Table can contain text, additional markup, other tables, images, and just about anything else. Tables are block level elements. So basic table tags. So first, for creating a table, we should use a table tag, which is the outermost tag. The, the deprecated border attribute defines the width of the border surrounding the table. So next, the tr tag appears inside the table tag and marks a table row, and the td tag appears inside the tr tag and marks the table data. It is also called as cell. Basic table tags example. So here is a simple example. Create a table with 2 pixel borders. So we can assign table border its value. In this example we are given 2 in table rows, and in table rows we can insert cell, that is data, column data, and these are the column 1 and column 2. These are also data. So this is how the output comes, the border of 2 pixel. So for a table we can give the caption as well as headers. For the caption element appears as a child of a table and contains the table's title. The caption appears just above the table itself. So the th element is similar to the tr element but contains the table header. The header is typically emphasized. For here not mentioned, we can also insert table footer, that is tf. So the table captions headers example. So here it is the example for the captions and headers. Here the caption we are given as monthly savings just by using the tag caption, and the same the month and savings of the respective months we are given data like January $100, February $100, and March $100. So now next, table grouping. We can also group the table. Let's see, the t head, t foot, and the t body tags are used to group parts. So these three are used for grouping the table: header, footer, and border. Note the t foot must appear after the body. After the t body tag, the t foot must appear. It is used for dynamic table scrolling, which is the most browsers do not yet support. These are also logic, semantic rather than physical elements. Table attributes. So we'll see the attributes. The border attribute defines the thickness of the table border. Value is measured in pixels. The cell padding attribute defines the number of pixels from the cell wall to the cell content. The cell spacing attribute defines the number of pixels between cells. Between the cells, how much pixel, it will be decided by the cell spacing attribute. We typically do this with CSS, but we have not discussed CSS yet. So we'll see in CSS topic. Column and cell attributes. Align. Just the text within the columns. Left, we can align the text either to the left, right, or center. The width of the column. Use the relative or absolute width. We can give the 25%, that is 25% of the table, or we can give the attribute in width attribute in pixels also, 100, whatever it may be. We align vertically alignment. Values top, middle, bottom, baseline. Supported by tables too. Table column. The call tag appears as a child of the table or column group tag and describes the formatting of the end for the entire column. It's often easier than formatting individual rows or cells. The call group tag is used to apply formatting several columns. So the table column example we'll see. Center the data in the first column and the right justify the second column. So we can justify like this. Table border pixel 1 aligned to the center, column aligned to the right. Cell spanning. Some tables have cells that should span multiple rows and columns. Row span attribute is used to create a cell that spans multiple rows. Call span attribute is used to create a cell that spans multiple columns. So here it's cell spanning illustration. Here it is given. In the following example, we work with the tables whose cells spanning multiple rows and columns. Table formatting and CSS. Everything is a box in the eyes of CSS. A table is a box, a table row is a box, a table cell is a box. A nested table is just another box. Cell formatting overrides row formatting overrides the table formatting. Thank you guys.